you're new here, hey friend. Today we are going to be doing another SCENTBOX review. I'm going to be showing you what scent I received this month. So before we get into the video, I'm going to need y'all to hit that subscribe button, because if you are watching my videos and y'all ain't subscribed, what are you doing? Also, remember to click that notification bell so that way you can see when your girl posts videos. So let's get right into it. This month we have another scent. Now, I'm not sure if you all know this, but whenever you sign up for SCENTBOX, you get to choose your scents in advance, and if you want to change it, you can always change it. So let me show you the scent I got for this month. First, I'm going to show you the scent of the month. It's called the Vince Camuto Bella. This is what the card looks like. And this is the scent of the month for the men. Okay, for the men. But the scent that I got today is a scent that I've had before, but I ran out because it smells so good. And it is the Gucci Guilty Black. So this is what the box looks like. And let's open it. Okay, so it's a different color this time. So this is what the container looks like. And you just, it's like a twist up, twist down type of thing. And we are gonna spray it, so. Oh my goodness. It smells so good, okay? This is definitely a formal perfume. Okay, you definitely want to wear this on a very formal date night, business meeting, gala. Like, this is like a boss chick type of perfume, okay? This screams boss chick. Oh my gosh, I love, love, love the smell. Like I said, I've had this one before. So I don't know why I picked this one. Maybe I picked it by accident, or maybe I thought it was going to be a different Gucci perfume, because I've definitely had this one before, but I ran out. But you know what? After spraying it, I am going to have to like buy some more, like for real. I feel like as women, especially us women that are getting older, we need to upgrade our perfume collection a little bit more. You know, I mean, Bath and Body Works has some great smelling body sprays and perfumes, I'm not gonna lie, but sometimes you need to elevate your perfume game, especially when you know you have to go to certain events, whether it be galas, whether it be like business meetings. You just want your perfume to match your outfit, you know what I mean? Like, for instance, in the summer, I normally wear perfumes or body sprays that are geared towards summer, versus like the fall, I'll wear different perfumes towards the fall. Or like, it even depends on what like type of outfit you're gonna wear. Like, if I'm dressing more casual, I'm just gonna put on some body spray. But if I'm going out, I'm gonna wear the good stuff, okay? What can I say? Just like you match your hairstyles to whatever you're gonna have on, or your makeup or your eyeshadow to what your outfit is gonna be. Same with shoes. Hey, the same goes for perfume. So the box I currently have gives you a 30-day supply of the fragrance. And you also get free exchanges and shipping, and you can cancel anytime. So every month you have a choice of like over 850 designer perfumes or colognes. So guys, definitely get in on this, because I feel like this is the perfect thing for those of you who want to branch out into more luxury perfumes, luxury scents. I feel like this is a great way to branch out and start trying different ones, so that way when you want to buy full size, you'll know what to get. Now, normally this is $14.95 a month, but you get the first month at $9.75, which is awesome. Also, when they say you get like 30 days worth of sprays, they don't mean just one spray per day. They mean like 4 sprays per day. So, because with luxury perfumes, you literally don't need to just spray it all over your body like the body spray. Like, I don't know if y'all remember when y'all was in school and y'all had them little body sprays. I don't know about y'all, but I would take a bath in those body sprays, okay? Because they weren't as strong, so you could do that. But with these, no ma'am, no sir, do not be spraying it all over your body. Like, no, it won't smell good. I'm sorry. You want it to linger, but you don't want to smell like you done bathed in it, because baby, no. This stuff is too strong for that. Way too strong. So yeah, about 4 sprays a day will do it. So that means, hey, you wake up in the morning, you put it on, then you feel it starting to wear off, because sometimes you can get nose blind or whatever. So if you feel like, I don't smell it anymore, or you can ask somebody else, like do a smell check. And if they don't smell it anymore, okay, another spray, you know, like that. But yeah, I feel like with this, it prevents you from wasting money by going to the store and like, oh, you know, this scent looks really nice. Because you know, when certain celebrities have perfumes or colognes out, they have the bottle look all nice and fancy, or you know, you may just like the aesthetic of the bottle and you're like, this may smell good, you know, and you may not even get a chance to sample it or figure like, do I like the smell of this? You may not always get to sample it, but if you do, let's say you do sample it and you're like, oh, this smells really good, and then you buy it, but for some reason it's not smelling as good as you thought it was gonna smell. I don't know about y'all, but sometimes that happens. Like, it's happened with me before. I remember for Christmas, a coworker bought me some lotion from Bath and Body Works, and I sniffed it. I didn't even put it on when I smelled it. I smelled it right out of the bottle, and I was like, oh my God, this smells so good. But my body chemistry did not work with it. I put some on my hand and started using it. I was just gonna keep this lotion on my desk, so that way whenever, you know, I'm feeling ashy or whatever, or my hand's feeling dry, I could just put on some lotion. And I would rub it on my hands, and I swear, the first time I rubbed it on my hands, it smelled completely different. I was like, this isn't working with my body chemistry. Like, it's just not for me. So when you're in the store and you're putting on samples, most of the time, I don't know about y'all, but when I go to the store, whether it be Bath and Body Works, Macy's, whatever, and I'm trying on perfume, I don't actually try it on. I don't put it on my skin. I take one of those little papers, those little sampler papers, and I spray it on that and I smell it. So it may smell good on that, but when I put it on my body, it just may not give what it's supposed to give, okay? Because body chemistry is everything. That's why most of my coworkers, they're like, hey, like, if you're gonna give me a gift, do not give me lotion, do not give me body spray, because what smells good on you may not smell good on me. So, hey. So it makes sense. That's why I feel like with this, I feel like you are saving a ton of money by at least having this and trying out what you want to try and what you don't. And the fact that you get to pick which perfumes or colognes that you want to try month by month, so that way you can see, okay, this will be worth the full size purchase, or this may not be worth the full size purchase. Okay, so right now I have some more fragrances in the queue. I'm not gonna tell you what my next fragrance is, because of course that's gonna be a surprise. I think I forgot to add in the video for last month's fragrance, but there was probably a reason for that. I actually wasn't too big of a fan of that fragrance. It just didn't go with my body chemistry, and it was giving very much roach spray to me, so I guess that's why I didn't bother to do that video. But the very first month, my very first scent, it's still my favorite. I still like it better than this Gucci Guilty one, although Gucci Guilty is one of my favorites, but I like more of the floral scents. But the first one that I liked was the very first month, which was the last video that I put out. So if you all haven't checked out my May SCENTBOX video, y'all might want to check it out, so that way y'all can see what my favorite one was for that month, because I love it, and I am going to be buying the full size like really soon, because I really love the smell of that one. But just to name a few of the perfumes that I have a choice of adding to my queue, or adding to like certain months, they have Carolina Herrera. Now I already have a Carolina Herrera perfume, and I really like it a lot. It's shaped like the heels. I don't know if you all have seen that in the stores whenever you go, but I really like it. It goes with my body chemistry very well, so it smells really good. So I mean, next time you're in a store, it can be Ulta or Macy's, sample it, but sample it on your skin so that way you can be sure of whether it smells good or not, because it may smell good off your skin and then when you put it on your skin it's like no. Another one I see is Philosophy. I've never tried Philosophy. I see another one, Ariana Grande. Let's see. Now, I saw an Ariana Grande perfume when I went into Ulta one time, and it had a symbol. What was the symbol like? It was a very pretty aesthetic. Like, the perfume had a very pretty aesthetic, okay? It didn't look like this one, but it looked different. And I thought, oh, this looks so nice. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna smell delightful. And instead of me spraying it on the paper like I should have at first, I sprayed it on me. Big mistake. It smelled like pickles, y'all. It smelled like pickles. I was like, why did I do that? Why didn't I go with my first mind? Because my strategy is I spray it on the paper first to see if it smells good. If it smells good, I try it out on my skin. And I have to really think it smells good. Like, I have to think, you know what? I'm gonna buy this. Let me try it on my skin just to make sure before I make this purchase. Like, that's my strategy for trying on perfumes. That's my strategy for shopping for perfumes. So yeah, guys, don't do that. Do not do not do that, okay? Do not do that. Test it out on the paper first, okay? Because if it don't smell good on the paper, it's definitely not gonna smell good on your skin, okay? It's just not. But yeah, they have the Victoria's Secret Bombshell, Ralph Lauren. They have the Versace Bright Crystal, which is one of my personal favorites. They have the Burberry. They have like 4 different Burberrys. They have Burberry Body, Burberry Body Tender, and Burberry Brit. They have a whole bunch of Burberrys, okay? A whole bunch of Burberry perfumes, Calvin Klein, just to name a few. It's so many of them to choose from, okay? So if you're interested, or at least if you want to check out what I'm saying, if you want to investigate further, the link will be in the description box along with some more information. But yeah, I really hope that you all enjoyed this video, and hopefully this is something that you'll be interested in. Don't waste your money, but it's better to try out these perfumes or colognes first before you just buy a full-size bottle. That'll be a huge waste of money, especially if you don't like the scent that you bought. Like, no. So yeah, but yeah, go ahead and check out the link in my description box. Also, if you enjoyed this video, give your girl the big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell so that way you can see when your girl posts videos. Until next time, peace.